Welcome back, people of God. Once again, it's my pleasure to continue to bring you a word of encouragement and uplifting. It's glory as am I again. All right, so today I'm going to appreciate my fellow gospel artists and for all the songs that they're bringing out around the globe. And I appreciate pastors. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm appreciating you. I know people appreciate you when you go to concerts, but mine is very, very specific and very important. Because I know in the Bible we say distance is not a barrier. We talk about it every time when people are preaching. And they said wherever you are, you can always receive the blessings of God. So I'm here to tell you that your prayers, your songs minister to me a lot. And that's why I'm doing this video, to thank you for what you're doing. And to hear it from one of you, I think is special. Because others are fans, but I'm one of you. I'm a gospel artist too. So I just want to appreciate you. Because I don't know if you have seen my other videos, but by God's grace, little by little, you will continue to hear my testimony. And that will tell you exactly why I'm thanking you today. I was injured in an elevator accident. I sustained spine injuries. And while I was healing, I'll tell you, your songs, your preaching, they were all medicines to me. And I'm going to mention some gospel artists and some preachers that really empowered me and pulled me out from the jaw of death with the injury. I will mention Apostle Joshua Selman of Nigeria, Chinyere Udoma, Osteen of America. And then I will mention Nathaniel, Bassey, and so many others. I am telling you that distance is not a barrier. Like I said, when I was going through pain, severe pain with a spine injury, every morning I will wake up and then I will tune into Apostle Joshua Selman. I will listen to his preaching. It will give me strength. I still remember one of the preachings where he said that our body is a temple of God, and that we are responsible for taking care of our body, that if we leave it to degenerate, then the Spirit of God will leave us. So most of the time when I'm very tired and the pain is so severe, I'm laying down, I will get up, because when I remember that preaching, I said, no, I have to eat, I have to be strong so that I will continue to, keep the body strong so that the Holy Spirit will continue to dwell in it. So Apostle Joshua Selman, I just want to thank you and to let you know that as much as you're preaching all the way in Nigeria, your preaching is getting to little nooks and corners where they are needed. And I'm a recipient to your words of encouragement. It has pulled me out that I have survived a spinal injury without surgery. And I want to thank other singers, because I know you're bringing out songs, you're preaching, you're doing so many things through songs, but you don't know that it's touching people everywhere. People in the hospital, people that are laying in their little rooms sick, people that are confined to places that other people are not seeing them. They are hearing you through social media. So please continue what you're doing. May the Lord bless you. Everywhere that you are, even if I did not mention your name, know that whatever you're bringing out, whatever God is giving to you, is medicine for someone else. It's emotional medicine, it's a physical medicine. And I'll tell you, there's one thing about praises that a lot of people don't know. Praise is it's a pain reliever. When you're in pain and you're praising, you could see that the pain will even go away. So you are a physician in your own way. You are a spiritual physician. I just want to thank all of you, for all the musicians everywhere, from Nigeria to other parts of Africa and all the other parts of the world. This is a special message for you. Thank you so much for all that you do for children of God and for people all around the globe. May God continue to bless you. And my viewers, I thank you so much also for following me. Continue to listen to my songs too, because my songs have encouraged me when I needed that encouragement. And I believe that it will also encourage you and continue to keep you in the right path to serve the Lord and receive blessings from the Lord. Thank you.